Hey there, in this video, I'm going to show you how to run macOS on Android for free without rooting your phone. Not just macOS, but you can run a variety of computer operating systems such as a few versions of Windows, Linux and other operating systems easily. For this video, I'll show you how to run macOS on your Android device, but the process is the same for all operating systems. Alright, to run macOS on Android, you need to download a virtual machine for Android that emulates popular computer operating systems such as Windows, Linux, macOS, etc. To get the app, go to the website link mentioned in the description. But before proceeding, mind that this may not work on all Android phones, especially on all devices. So go through the required specs on the website and then try it. If it works, but it's not gonna brick your phone. Now, if you're running Android 13 or lower, you need to download version 2.7. If your Android version is 14 or higher, download and install version 2.8. Mine is Android 14, so I need to download version 2.8. For 2.8, along with the app's APK, you also need to download the bootstrap file to run the OS. If you are using one of the latest devices, get the top one. If it's an old device, then get the bottom one. After downloading the app and the bootstrap file, install the APK on your device. Then launch the app, tap on Install from File and then select the bootstrap file. Search for it if you can't find it. It should be in your Downloads folder. Then allow the required permission and dismiss all the other pop-ups. Now that you have installed the app successfully, tap on this icon at the bottom right corner to see the operating systems you can try on your Android device. You can try a few old versions of Windows such as XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, etc. Also, you can run Linux and other operating systems as well. Having mentioned that, for this video, I'm gonna try to run macOS on my Android phone. For now, these are the versions available, so select one of them, tap on Import and then click on Download. Now we need to download the ROM from this website. To download it, we just have to tap on the ROM we need and get it. So simply just tap on macOS, note down this password, tap on the macOS button, choose your Google Drive account and download it from the Google Drive app. After downloading it, relaunch the Vectras VM app, select the downloaded ROM, click Import, import again, locate the .vbi file and tap on it. The app will extract and import the file for you to run it. This may take a while depending on your device, so be patient. After it's done, we will be returned automatically to the main menu with a big icon of the OS that we have just extracted. Simply tap on it, allow notification permission and let the app boot up the OS. Again, it takes about 2 to 5 minutes depending on your device. Meanwhile, keep an eye on the boot up process because you need to enter the password that we saw at the time of downloading the ROM from the website. The password is 1234. That's pretty much it. After a while, it loads up the OS and you can run the macOS on your Android phone like this. You can move the cursor by swiping on the screen, perform single and double clicks, hold and drag, etc. These big buttons on the outer area let you see the boot log, launch the gamepad, open the keyboard and also quit the OS. It's that simple. I hope you found the video informative. Like the video, comment down if you have any doubts and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.